Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to force restart your Samsung phone if it's frozen. So here is my Samsung, and if it doesn't respond to any command and you want to restart, it is very easy. You need to push and hold volume down and the power button like this. Keep pushing. Keep pushing, you need to wait for a few seconds. Now remove your fingers. And as you can see, now my Samsung will restart. Again, you need to wait for a few seconds. And now just enter your PIN if you have one and tap OK. Draw on your pattern. And that's all. Now you can use your phone. So it is very easy. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.